Welcome to Sparks Toyota.
Here we have a 2014 Buick Enclave Premium. It has a clean one-owner Carfax and comes with power folding, auto-dimming heated mirrors with signals, roof rails, deep tinted glass, and much more. 19-inch chrome-clad aluminum wheels, all-season tires, auto HID xenon headlamps with chrome bezels, daytime running lights, and a strong six-cylinder with only 64,309 miles. The power liftgate, dual exhaust, parking sensors, the rear wiper, a spacious cargo area with a third row seat, and a comfortable second row with climate control. The front row, power heated and cooled leather seating with driver memory, tri-zone auto climate control, a garage door opener, a locking glove box, and a leather steering wheel with convenience controls. We can't forget about the power dual sunroof, the entertainment and navigation touchscreen with a CD player, Bluetooth and voice recognition, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze.
Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.